you have to unleash your potential. 99, I'm so sorry to say that 99.9%, I'm 100% sure, 99.9% all of us under this roof, we had not tapped our potential till date. What we are capable of and what we can do. You had to keep throwing to the situations. You had to keep throwing to the challenges. You had to face the challenges to unleash your potential. But what we do is, it's a human psychology. As soon as the threat comes to you, we go into the defensive mode. I've seen people from the very close quarters, I can give thousands of examples. If they allow me to speak till evening, I can give thousands of examples. People prefer to die. People prefer to die. I repeat, people prefer to die, but they just don't want to unleash or tap their potential. They just don't want to tap. What is it stopping you? Just because you're scared, boss? आपको डर लगता है.